Hello, this is Lorrie Hargis. Today we're talking about indigestion. 1 in 4 people suffer from it. So lots of you out there in LinkedIn world are suffering from indigestion. That's what statistics say at least, right? And at this time of year, people start to overeat because we're enjoying the holidays with our family. And we're sitting more at the table, eating more food. Well, first of all, one of the great tips is do your best to put smaller portions on your plate. Don't drink with your meals because that dilutes your hydrochloric acid. So don't have any drinks. Either drink 30 minutes before you eat or 30 minutes after you eat. And you're saying, well, where's the wine, right, with my food or whatever. But do your best not to drink during your meal. So do your drinks before. Then the other thing that you can do that can really help you a lot is use peppermint essential oil because it contains menthol in it. And menthol reduces inflammation and also helps digestion. And this is something that's very, very important when we have indigestion, right? Because we're not digesting our food. We're getting gas, we're getting bloating. Then this can lead to stomach cramps, intestinal cramps, and further along, irritable bowel syndrome or constipation. So what I would suggest that you do is take 6 drops of organic peppermint essential oil, put it in 1 ounce of almond oil or apricot oil, and then massage it on your stomach. Massage it on your stomach before you eat and after you eat. This also will remind you to not overeat. If you take that peppermint oil out and you massage it on your stomach before, it's going to remind you not to overeat and that you're doing something to help yourself for the indigestion. Then eat your meal very slowly, enjoy it, have a great conversation with your family, and then apply your peppermint essential oil again. I hope this has helped you, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday on Thursday. Don't forget your essentials, use your common sense. Au revoir.